Okay, here we are back on Luciano's car. So the one that we had was unfortunately wrong. It's way too big. And the one that we took out, as we showed you guys, now that you can actually see a little bit more, is literally chewed to absolute. So, like we said in the other video, they covered it in silicone and then put black plastic sheathing on it to cover up the mistake. So, yeah, that's all done and taken care of. Well, I got too busy doing things and too many cars. So, it's in. We drove it, parked it, and there's not a drop anywhere. So, we're good. Sorry I didn't get a chance to film everything, guys, but it's in, it's on, it's done, and people will be happy. All right, have a good one.